This is the night before my mechanics final, and I've gotta say that I feel like I'm quite not ready. So I had my chemistry today at 2 p.m., finished at 5, and then I go home and I like to do some workout and take shower before jumping into the next exam study, although it is quite urgent. And that is because I feel like running itself just kind of boosts my productivity in general, like the blood boost, blood circulation boost, and also that I'll probably be able to sleep better if I do some sort of exercise. So during my exam seasons, I always try to exercise, like try to work out, even just a little, like a 10-minute, 15-minute run on the treadmill or something, and take shower to like waken up your mind instead of like cramming miserably. I feel like cramming miserably is kind of like low quality in terms of studying, like the environment of studying itself. Yeah, I actually don't really have time to film, but I feel like I should take a moment because it's like probably the last time that it will ever be this moment right now before I take the exam. And the mechanics test, I think, is probably the hardest one out of all four finals. I still have the morning tomorrow before it starts at 2 p.m. And it's right now close to 11. I study until a bit later than yesterday for general chemistry. My plan is to just do a lot of practice problems, and I try and I want to look up some conceptual questions, conceptual like in terms of theory, because there is, I think, around 20 multiple choice for conceptual, and those, if you never came across one of, well, similar question, it's actually quite ambiguous. Like I feel like physics could be really ambiguous depending on how you bring it up. I was looking at some honor courses exams that one of my honors well, old classmate, or I don't know if she should call ourselves friends, but gave me. She sent me because I asked for it, sending my regulars course, and I see a lot of questions that I never came across, and that they actually require a lot of brain twisting thinking. Yeah, physics is really twisting. I feel like it's sometimes ambiguous, sometimes totally makes sense, and actually it will make sense if it click, but if it doesn't click, it totally will never click. So yeah, I'll try to do a lot of weird questions tomorrow, and of course the harder, complex, big problems.